To file a previous year's tax return on TurboTax, start by going to the TurboTax website and selecting the year you want to file for. You will need to create an account or log in to an existing one if you have used TurboTax before. Once you are logged in, click on the option to file a prior year return and select the tax year you want to file for. Next, you will need to gather all the necessary documents and information, including your W-2 forms, 1099 forms, and any other relevant tax documents. You will also need your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number, as well as your spouse's if you are filing jointly. After gathering all the necessary information, you can begin the filing process by answering a series of questions about your income, deductions, and credits. TurboTax will guide you through the process and ask you questions based on the information you provide. As you go through the filing process, make sure to take advantage of all the deductions and credits you are eligible for. TurboTax will help you identify these, but it is also a good idea to review your return carefully to ensure you are not missing anything. Once you have completed the filing process, you will need to review your return for accuracy and completeness. Make sure all the information is correct and that you have not missed any deductions or credits. You can then submit your return to the IRS and pay any taxes owed or request a refund if you are due one. It is also important to note that the IRS has a statute of limitations for filing prior year tax returns, which is generally 3 years from the original filing deadline. If you are filing a prior year return, you should do so as soon as possible to avoid missing the deadline and potentially losing your refund. In addition to filing your tax return, TurboTax also offers audit support and other tools to help you navigate the tax filing process. If you have any questions or need help along the way, you can contact TurboTax support for assistance. By following these steps and taking advantage of the tools and resources offered by TurboTax, you can easily file a previous year's tax return and ensure you are in compliance with the IRS. Remember to stay organized, take your time, and review your return carefully to ensure accuracy and completeness.